then your degree does not matter. Then it depends on who is able to answer the questions really well in the interview. That person will be picked up for the job. Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Now, if you're new, then subscribe to this channel because on this channel, I share ideas, insights, tools and tactics. So if you want to grow really fast in the software industry, then subscribe now and press the bell icon. So let us begin. Sir, what are the opportunities available for BCA and MCA students? See, as far as BCA and MCA students are concerned, the opportunities are similar to engineering students. Okay, there is not such a difference because a web development engineer, let's say you become a full stack web developer, you are coming out of MCA, okay, and you become a full stack web developer, okay, and there is a engineering student who's a full stack web developer. Both of you know React, let's say Mern stack, okay, which is MongoDB, Express JavaScript, React JavaScript, and Node JavaScript. You know this stack really well. Okay, then your degree does not matter. Then it depends on who is able to answer the questions really well in the interview. That person will be picked up for the job. Okay, but some companies have a preference for engineers. A lot of companies give preference to engineers because engineering is a different education altogether from BCA and MCA. Okay, when you talk about bachelor's in computer application and master's in computer application, though you learn almost all the subjects, the strength of an engineering student is in his physics, maths and chemistry background, which makes him the engineer. Okay, so that is the difference between an engineering student and MCA student, but otherwise you can get a similar job. You will see that in a lot of companies MCA are working side by side with engineers, and there is no difference as such once you are confident of your programming knowledge. Okay, so as far as programming knowledge are concerned, from that point of view, if you are good, then there is no difference. There is absolutely no difference in any of these jobs. Okay, but there will be certain jobs where they will just say we are looking for a BE or a BTech. In those companies, you may not be able to apply as a MCA. That may be the challenge. Okay, so I hope that answers your question, but there are thousands of opportunities available even for BCA and MCA students. And what happens is that uh, you may face a certain uh, it all depends on how good you are in technology. Okay, I've seen BC and MCA students who are very good in technology. They will do better than engineering students, so then they will earn higher than even engineers. So you don't think that okay, it is something wrong if there is a course which is funded by the government, right? So this is a degree certification which the government has approved. The government of India has approved that okay, there can be BCA graduation, there can be MCA graduation, which means there are also a lot of jobs, okay, within that education field. Okay, if there is a BSc computer science, then there are jobs for those engineers. If there is a BE computer science, then there are jobs for those. Anything that is taught in a college in bachelor's and masters, that will always have some kind of a job because there will not be an education institute, there will not be a course which will just teach a course which is not useful in the industry. Okay, you have to understand that way. Okay, so I hope that answers your question, and just become a very good engineer. Just become the best engineer that you can become. Okay, and I have done a lot of videos where I've explained how to become a good software engineer. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, okay, and share these videos as much as possible. Thank you very much. Stay focused, stay rich, and see you in the next video.